There's a gear dude's in front of me.
Aww.
Okay, there's two fully geared guys right in front of me in Svet. Vasty! Hello? Hello? Cash. Mortal Kombat! Oh, dude, that was so cool! Holy shit, are you serious? Is that like a one-shot kill for real? That was the coolest thing I've seen all day.
I'm in Svet.
Holy crap. Hey, I don't know if you're by yourself, but there was a fully geared dude. Oh, there he is. What's up? That was the coolest fucking thing I've seen in DayZ in a while. Oh my god, guys. Seriously? I like it. Woo! You're gonna run out of gas before you actually hit me. Are you guys foreign? Is that why you don't speak? You guys are those Russian guys that just run around killing people, right? No matter what. That's cool. Meow. Aww. Meow. Oh! Dude. Oh, you're terrible at this game! Dude, I just wiped these guys!
What?
Tell me, like, rock punch.
Oh no, dude! I took their guns and killed them with it.
Yes!
They tried to kill me with a chainsaw and wrecked them both.
Nice.
Dude, come here, guys! Please come here and fucking help me. Dude, these guys with fucking
Oh, there's more! Oh my god!
I just got killed.
Fuck!
I just got killed. There was, dude, I just killed these two dudes with gun, like they were fucking, one had a chainsaw, one had an axe, and they were coming at me. I killed one with the, knocked one out with the crowbar, took his Mosin,
Get out of the road.
and then, hold on, this guy's just
I need to be able to get vengeance.
3 people just died right now.
I'll be the bait. I think they're on top of tech. Watch tech. Watch tech. Inside that tech building right there.